Hi, this is Paul with OurChurch.com. In this video, we're going to look specifically at the search rankings part of the SEO report. When you click in to view your search ranking report, you'll be on the dashboard, which looks like this, and one of the modules here is your search rankings. You can look at a general overview here and see how many number 1 and 2 through 5 and 6 through 10 rankings you have. But if you want more details than that, click on the View Full Report link. Now on this report, you'll see that first of all, we are looking at 5 different search engines. We are looking at search rankings from Google, Google Mobile, Google Maps, Bing, and Bing Local, which is the Maps version from Bing. And what you can see here is you can see a comparison of the number of rankings based on the date. Here we have April of 2021, March of 2021, February of 2021, and you can see then by hovering over the number of number 1 rankings in February, the number of number 1 rankings in March, the number of number 1 rankings in April. And you can select the number of months that you look over. In this report, since we've only been using this tool for the last couple of months, we've only got 3 samples here, but as time goes on, you will be able to see more months of data in this report. All right, now we're going to scroll down and take a look at the next part of this report. The next section is rankings by change. Here you can see we are comparing April 2nd to March 2nd, but you can adjust these dates if you want to see a different comparison. And at the top here, we are looking at all search engines. If we compare April to March, there were 19 total keywords that showed an improvement in search rankings. 19 were down, 77 no change, and 23 were new in the top 30. Now if we want to break that down by search engine, you can see here that specifically for Google, there was 0 up, 0 down, 18 unchanged, and none new. And you can see what those numbers are for Google Mobile, Google Maps, and then over here for Bing and Bing Local. So that way you can see specifically how your search rankings are changing on different search engines. Now moving down, this is the biggest, most detailed part of the search rankings report. This rankings table, top rankings in top 30, shows the specific search ranking for each individual keyword and each search engine. So across the top, we have the search engines, Google, Google Mobile, Google Maps, Bing, and Bing Local, and then along the side are the individual keywords. What that means is for the keyword Christian Church in Cranberry Township, Pennsylvania, there's no top 30 rankings in Google, Google Mobile, Google Maps, or Bing, but in Bing Local, the church ranks 14th, and that is an improvement of 3 spots. Now as we scroll down through this report, there are lots of other indicators on here. You'll see some letters like the B, you'll see LOC, which stands for local, and you'll see the plus sign, which is a new ranking. And so we're going to take a quick look at the legend, which is down at the bottom, to explain some of these things. The LOC, these rankings for your Google My Business or Bing Local listing that appears in the main Google/Bing result. I'm going to show you what this means by taking you to the actual search results. You can see here on the report that when searching for this keyword, the first thing that shows up is a map followed by 3 listings. This is called the local 3-pack, and then below that are the general or organic listings. Okay, so when we see that LOC, it means the search result is in here, and when we see org, it means that it's down below. If we go back to this main report and we look up at Christian Church in Wexford, Pennsylvania, you'll see that this church ranks number 1, and the A indicates that their search ranking or their search listing is the top position in that local 3-pack. Okay, some of the other things in here, there are third-party results that are reported. For example, if your listing in Facebook comes up, Carousel, this won't apply to most organizations. KP stands for Knowledge Panel. I will show you this one because the Knowledge Panel you will see in your results probably. If you do a search specifically for your organization, you may end up with something like this on the right side. This is called the Knowledge Panel, and the search ranking report will detect if your organization shows up in the Knowledge Panel. Some other icons that are shown, Google Display Ads, and then this icon indicates if Google shows a local pack. You'll see that indication for a lot of these. And then video results for this search term is another one. So a lot of details here, but it allows you to tell specifically for each keyword in each search engine what your search rankings are, how much they've changed, and whether it's in the organic results or the local pack. All right, this is the main part of the search rankings report, but there are a couple of tabs on here. We'll take a quick look at these. We'll go to the tracker chart. The tracker chart allows you to show your search rankings over time for a particular keyword. So we can take, for example, let's just take the word church, and we are filtering by date over 6 months, and so it will show a line graph for each search engine showing you how your search rankings have changed. Now currently we only have search rankings going back for a month, but as time goes on you'll be able to track your search rankings by keyword for 6 months, 12 months, and even longer. And you'll see a chart showing the ranking by date for each search engine if you like. And then finally there is aggregate rankings chart. First of all, the top is exactly the same as what was on the rank checker, this first part of the report. And then below it simply puts that data in a table format. So you can see the number of number 1 rankings over time in this table. All right, that is a deep dive into the search ranking report in your SEO report. Thanks for watching.